What'd you say?
I said okay.
Oh. Well, we're going to learn about probability. What do you guys know about probability? Yes.
Probability is like what will probably happen.
What will probably happen? What else? I saw somebody else. Cameron. What will happen next? So like chance? What else do we know? Yeah?
Something that's most likely to happen.
What's most likely? So that gets into how we word probability. So most likely, what's different than most likely? You? What's the opposite of most likely?
I was with something else, but
Okay, well we can come back.
unlikely.
Unlikely. What else? Yeah. It's like least likely. So now what's the formula for probability? There's the tricky part. Do you know it?
Look at this.
You can give it a try. What do you think it is?
Mostly.
Could be something like that. What do you think it is? The formula. That's the tricky part. Here, how about I make it easy on me? I can give it to you guys. So the formula, we all have to remember it because we're going to be using it in the next few minutes, is the number of times an event occurs, and then this fancy little sign, which we all love fractions, and we all know it, divided by the total number of outcomes. So basically, let's say we have M&Ms, kind of like the M&Ms you have on your table. Those are what those are. And we have 6 red M&Ms, and we have a total of 20 M&Ms, then it's 6 over 20 is the probability of how many times we'll get red out of 20 M&Ms. Do we understand that?
Yeah.
How does that sound? Okay, so now with the M&Ms that you guys have, we're going to color in our favorite color of M&M. So I'm going to come around, and you guys will color in your favorite colors. So what color M&Ms are there? Red, brown, what else?
Yellow.
Blue, yellow, orange. We can't forget orange. Green. So pick your favorite color. And share them around. Do you guys think that we will have a high probability of having a lot of favorites be red in this class? What do you guys think? Do? Huh? You need one? Mm-hmm. So what do you guys think? Will we have a high probability of having a red M&Ms be our favorite color in this class? Or do you think it'll be a different color?
A different color.
What color do you think it'll be?
Blue.
Blue? Why do you think blue?
I don't know. Just like blue.
Well, blue might be your favorite color. Do you think there's other things that affect whether it's going to be blue, orange, yellow? And once you guys are done coloring, you can bring it up to me and we're going to put it on to our bar graph. No, you don't have to. Alright, you guys grab a sticker and put it right on the back. Thank you. And then you guys can go right back to the dentist. Look like we have a lot of the same. We have another red. Red's in the running. We have another blue. We have our first green.
Eat that, don't worry.
Blue's winning. We have another
So
red.
you'll still be able to eat, don't worry.
We do. So how many do we have? Do we have all of them yet? Everybody? Miss Kelly?
I still got
And you still got yours? Want to bring it up?
Oh.
You want to put one of these on the back? What color do you think? Oh, we have another blue. And we have another orange. Yes?
Oh, I really think red is the two colors.
Oh, that's why. Has that hue to it. So red. So what was the favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. And by how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 out of how many people in this class? We have 18 people. So we have 8 over 18 as our probability. So if I use my calculator, which all of you guys will get to use, that is 0.44. And then how do we make this into a percent? How do we make it? Jeez. We could hit the percent button, but how do we move it with the decimal?
Put the decimal
In the middle? Or do we move it? How many times do we move it over? You guys know this. Kelly?
One time?
One time? We actually move it over twice. So then what percent is that? What percent is that? You guys know this. Cameron? 44%. So there's 44% chance that we will pick blue in this class. Doesn't see, that seems kind of low, doesn't it? You think it'd be more than that. Do you guys know what ways do we use probability? Like outside of school, when do we use probability? Yeah? You had your hand up. What about outside of school? When do we use it?
Yep. The weather.
The weather. What if there was a 80% chance it's going to rain today, which there is today? Would we not bring an umbrella if we didn't know that? We'd probably be drenched in rain. We wouldn't know what to do. What other ways do we use it? Yep.
To pick whose favorite game is most likely to pick.
Mm-hmm. So like if in sports, so if you want to, which team is more likely to win, that's probability. What other ways?
Like when you're like playing a game with your friends or something.
Yeah, we want to know what's the best chance to win this by. You good? So we're going to use these with our partners. You can't touch them yet. Try not to eat all of them. You cannot eat them until after. You knew it? You did it?